Mama Aini.
Hey guys, what up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today's tutorial is how to make picture frame transitions with Vegas Pro 18. And so here I have the same exact clip from my previous commercial edit for Chinese New Year video, and you can watch the videos in the link down below. And there is some part of the video where I need to basically transitions from this picture frame to the next scene here. And all of that were done inside Vegas Pro 18, and there's no such a plugin or fancy plugin is required. Right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is to trim off a bit of the video because there is a part where the cameraman pulled off his gimbal. So I'm gonna cut it around here, I think. Okay, once it's trimmed, I'm gonna digitally zoom into the picture frame. So I'm gonna start off somewhere around here. Open up pen and crop, add a keyframes, and move all the way to the end and zoom in. Now this video are shot in 4K, so I can zoom in all the way to 1080p resolutions. I think this is nice, just about there. Yeah, that's great. And let's slow down the second keyframe so it smoothly zoom in, and that's much more better. And then the next thing you're gonna do is to motion track the video. Now if you don't know how to motion track, you can watch my previous tutorial where I explain a full guide on how to motion track it in Vegas Pro. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is to add a region mask. And once you have your region mask nicely placed over your picture frame, over the picture, you want to make sure the precision to be accurate and the mode to be scale and location. And then you're just gonna track both directions. Right, so it's gonna track halfway because in the middle part there is some interference of this person here, but it's okay. We're just gonna deal with the end bits of the video. We're not gonna use the entire tracking. Alright, so once we're done, we can close the tracking data and we can go to video effects tab and search for Bezier masking, and we're gonna drag and drop it into our video. Right, so let's enable mask effects so we can see the whole picture. And on the mask one, you're gonna use curve, and you are basically tracing out the picture. So I'm gonna start doing that. Alright, so once you're done mask out the picture frame, you're gonna go back to your motion tracking panel, click Bezier mask, the precision need to be accurate, and perspectives, and let's track both direction. And we are pretty much done motion track the picture frame, and it tracked very well. Alright, so of course we're not gonna use the entire thing, it's okay. So let's bring the second clip at the bottom of the video so you can see the second video clip appear on our frame here. Alright, so let's align it. You're gonna have the transition starting somewhere around here, and I want the car to be appear somewhere in this moment here. Right, so now what we're gonna do is find an effect called picture in picture. I'm gonna drag and drop to our second clip and change the scale to 1, and then you want to basically readjust it somewhere like this. Okay, the adjusting part is all up to you how you want the framing to be, but I want it to be somewhere here. Once I'm happy, go back to the previous clip, the tracking, and make sure you're on the region 1 and just bring it to the picture in picture. Done. So now if you play, it should track to our frame just nicely. There we go, that's great. So now let's do the clean up. So let's insert a video track, and we're just gonna duplicate this clip and we're just gonna get rid of the Bezier mask, and let's trim the clip somewhere around here. Okay, now instead of cutting the clip, I'm gonna use the composite level instead, so let's mute it somewhere around here. I think around that moment just fine. Okay, that's better. Maybe we can have a bit longer time, and then we can start fading the end bit of the video, and that's it. So that's how you basically motion track, make a frame transitions in Vegas Pro 18. And of course there's a bit of a part here, and that's an easy fix. You just simply duplicate this clip. Okay, we're not gonna add a composite here. We're just gonna use some masking, a normal masking here, and that one can be done roughly just like so. And you can of course animate the mask from time to time, and then of course add a bit of feathering if you wish to. Okay, just like so. I just demonstrate you guys what you can do, and of course you can go back to the Bezier masking here and go to mask 1 and add a bit of a feathering to smooth out the masking part. Okay, so that's it. That's how you basically motion track, making a picture frame transitions inside Vegas Pro 18. So if you have any question related, you can leave it down in the comment section and I'll try my best to help you guys. So see you guys next time on my next video. Bye bye.